Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to easily edit the auto reply message in the Messages app on your phone. If you want your contacts to receive an automatic response when you are driving or busy, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and quickly. First, open the Messages app on your phone. Once the app is open, click on the three-line menu at the top left corner. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. Make sure that driving mode is enabled, as this feature is required for auto replies to work properly. Once driving mode is turned on, you will see the option to edit auto reply message directly under it. Tap on this option to open the editing screen. Then type the message you want your contacts to receive automatically. Finally, after entering your desired message, click on Save to apply the changes. From now on, whenever driving mode is active, your auto reply will be sent automatically to anyone who messages you. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.